Alright, so I got an email from my dad who said to make a video with me with my welding hat on with the mask down. Ooh. Hey, look, you can see the reflection of my iPod, or my iPhone, excuse me, on my little spider tripod. Well, that's cool. That's a rare view. So anyway, I just wanted you to know I'm looking at you with my one good eye. Ooh. It's like Darth Vader if he was a welder. Fire! Fire! I hope this is what you wanted. I don't know if this is or not, but I think it's cool. Okay. Enough of that silliness. Let's get serious. No. I'm just kidding. Hope everybody's doing well.